Why, hello there.
Hi guys, how are you guys? Thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove this light fixture. It'll be very similar to any other light fixture. But before that, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The very first thing you want to do is to remove all the fragile pieces of the fixture. That includes the light bulbs and the glass parts. I'm going to take this all apart and put them in a safe place. The next part will be removing those two nuts that hold the light fixture. After you loosen those nuts, now you want to disconnect the wires. After you have removed the nuts, you want to unsplice the wires. Now with these barrettes, I want to put them back on. Set this aside for now. Now, you'll need to take off this mounting bracket. Now I'm putting back the screws that was holding the bracket. These screws will be used for the next light fixture. Ta-da! And here you have it, guys. Easy peasy. Anybody can remove a light fixture. You don't need to be an electrician. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. There will be weekly videos, new content every week. Tune in for next time. Peace out.